Be honest. Do you even know where your money goes? You get paid, and days later, it's gone. No savings, no progress, just stress. This isn't just poor spending, it's financial self-destruction. But there's a way out. One simple rule, the 50-30-20 rule, can help you stop bleeding money and start building real control. Stick around, because this might be the wake-up call your wallet's been waiting for. Welcome back to CentSense, lads. Let's get straight into the 50-30-20 rule. It is a budgeting strategy that divides your after-tax income into 3 easy categories. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. That's it. Simple, clean, flexible. Let's quickly go through what each of these means. 50%. Needs are your essential expenses. These are things you can't live without. Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and minimum debt payments all fall under this category. If it's something you'd seriously struggle to live without, it's probably a need. 30%. Wants are non-essential, but they make life more enjoyable. Think Netflix, dining out, hobbies, shopping, vacations. Anything that adds fun or comfort but isn't strictly necessary. It's important to allow room for wants so you don't feel restricted. 20%. Savings or debt repayment is for your future. This can go toward building your emergency fund, investing, or paying off credit card or loan balances faster. This category builds your financial security and is the key to long-term freedom. Let's make it real with an example. Say you earn $2,000 per month after tax. Here's how your budget would look using this rule. $1,000, 50%, goes to needs, $600, 30%, goes to wants, and $400, 20%, goes to savings or debt. So you might spend $600 on rent, $200 on groceries, $200 on bills and transportation. That's your needs. Then $600 could go to streaming services, going out with friends, personal shopping, or entertainment. And the remaining $400 might be $200 added to your emergency savings, $200 to pay off your credit card. What if your needs take more than 50% of your income? It's okay. The 50-30-20 rule is a framework, not a hard rule. If your rent and bills already eat up 60% of your income, then you might have to reduce wants to 20% or savings to 10% temporarily. The goal is to create awareness and take back control, not to force perfection. Here's why this method works. It gives you clarity. You stop guessing and start planning. It gives you balance. You're not cutting out fun. You're making room for it intentionally. And most importantly, it's sustainable. To start using this today, track your expenses for the last 30 days. Calculate your after-tax income. Apply the 50-30-20 rule percentages. Adjust based on your situation. And keep it flexible. Money management should adapt to your real life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more budgeting and finance tips made simple. Thanks for watching.